Hey, welcome back to another exciting episode of Hawaii USA Federal Credit Union's Need Series. I'm Cody.
And I'm Crystal.
And we try all the coolest things to help you decide what you need.
That's right. And being financially savvy doesn't always mean you're tight on money.
That's right. It's all about choosing wisely on what to spend your hard-earned money on so to make more bang for your buck.
Ooh, and Cody, I'm so excited today because we are doing water sports.
That's right. We're here at H20 Sports Hawaii, and today we're gonna have some water adventures.
Let's find out what we're doing.
Let the adventures begin. Okay, Crystal, have you gone parasailing before?
I've never done this before.
All right, well, this might be the adventure that you need in your life. You don't know until you try it. Oh, we're going up! Incredible! A bird's eye view of the entire bay.
Cody, you didn't tell me they were gonna dip us.
Yeah, there was just a little bit of a dip in there. Okay, Crystal, are you ready for a high-speed water adventure on the jet ski?
I'm more than ready. I drive.
Help me.
Let's go.
We all know how your driving is.
It's wonderful.
All right, I'm hanging on for dear life.
Driver.
Yeah, no, you're safe, sure.
Twice.
You threw me like 3 times.
Twice.
All right, I gotta take one out on my own.
All right.
I'll race you. All right, I'm ready to soar above the ocean. Let's get this jetpack running. Here we go. What an incredible day out here on the water.
It was unforgettable.
It was amazing. You know, of all the adventures though, it's time to choose which is the adventure that you need. Crystal, what's your choice?
Okay, well I gotta say, the parasailing was just spectacular.
Oh, the views were epic.
Breathtaking.
But?
I gotta go with the jet ski.
Jet ski, okay, why?
Well, you know, I mean, I was like going really fast and then boom, bye-bye, Cody.
You did that about 4 times if I remember correctly.
Got carried away.
Nah, that's all right.
Well, what about you?
Okay, so of all the adventures today, one of them was my very first time doing it. I've got to go with that jetpack. It was so incredible.
Yeah.
It is surreal to run on water. You know what I mean?
Run on water.
Yeah. So the best part about this day though is the fact that we can pay for it with our Hawaii USA Federal Credit Union debit MasterCard.
Yeah.
We always have it on the go.
And you know, it's just as convenient as a credit card. And it also keeps me on budget because I'm only spending what's in my checking account.
That's right. That's why we use it for everything that we need.
And we also want to thank H20 Sports Hawaii for this epic adventurous day in the water.
So much fun here. You've got to come down here and figure out which is the water adventure that you need.
And a big thank you to Hawaii USA Federal Credit Union for always encouraging us to choose wisely.
Because life matters. All right, we'll see you on the next one.
Aloha.
That was fun.
Oh.